What is up, YouTubers? Shaun4225 here again. It's the same night as I recorded chocolate or cherry chocolate rain. I am going to be singing Zonday's Chocolate Rain. Now, keep in mind before I start this, I want to say I will not be looking directly in the camera. Sometimes I'm not, but because this is a really long song and I need to get these words as best correctly. So let's start this. Chocolate rain. Some stay dry and others feel the pain. Chocolate rain. A baby born will die before the sun. Chocolate rain. The school books say it can't be here again. Chocolate rain. The prisons make you wonder where it went. Chocolate rain. Build a tent and say the world is dry. Chocolate rain. Zoom the camera out and see the light. Chocolate rain. Forecast to be falling yesterday. Chocolate rain. Only in the past is what they say. Chocolate rain. Raise your neighborhood insurance rates. Chocolate rain. Makes us happy living in a gate. Chocolate rain. Made me cross the street the other day. Chocolate rain. Make you turn your head the other way. Chocolate rain. History crackly crashing through your veins. Chocolate rain. Using you to fall back down again. Chocolate rain. History quickly crashing through your veins. Chocolate rain. Using you to fall back down again. Chocolate rain. Seldom mentioned in the radio. Chocolate rain. It's the fear the does under control. Chocolate rain. Worse than swearing, worse than calling names. Chocolate rain. Say it publicly and you're insane. Chocolate rain. No one wants to hear about it now. Chocolate rain. Wish real hard and it goes our way somehow. Chocolate rain. Makes our best for friends who begin to fight. Chocolate rain. But did they know with each other in the light? Chocolate rain. Every February washed away. Chocolate rain. Stays behind as colors celebrate. Chocolate rain. The same crime has a higher price to pay. Chocolate rain. The judge and jury swear it's not the face. Chocolate rain. History quickly crashing down your veins. Chocolate rain. Wasn't you to fall back down again. Chocolate rain. History quickly crashing through your veins. Chocolate rain. Using you to fall back down again. Chocolate rain. Dirty secrets of the economy. Chocolate rain. Turns that body into GDP. Chocolate rain. The bell curves frames are made in a chocolate rain. But test scores are how much the parents make. Chocolate rain. Flipping cars in France the other night. Chocolate rain. Cleans the sewers out beneath Mumbai. Chocolate rain. Across the world and back, it's all the same. Chocolate rain. Angels cry and shake their heads and blame. Chocolate rain. Lifts the ark of paradise and sing chocolate rain. Which part do you think you're living in? Chocolate rain. More than marching, more than passing law. Chocolate rain. Remake how we are to where we are. Chocolate rain. History quickly crashing through your veins. Chocolate rain. Using you to fall back down again. Chocolate rain. History quickly crashing through your veins. Chocolate rain. using you to fall back down again. Chuck. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, rate, and comment. Man. Shaun4225 signing off. Peace. Woo.